So I gave the exam after the changes happened. I got a 90 each in each section, and very happy, of course, because I did not expect. I mean, I was panicking a lot because there were a lot of changes in the exam pattern, and of course, with the human intervention and other things. So I was quite happy when I got that score. So yeah, thank you so much for all your help and assistance throughout this process. We had a Telegram group with yourself, Mohit, and me. I think that was really helpful because you guys were very responsive, even on the weekends, because I usually used to only get time on the weekends to do my practice. So I had that strategy. So my lessons, what I need to do every day, the study plan, which was good because earlier I was spending a lot of time on useless topics like MCQs. I remember before I joined, when I was doing my own self-practice, I would spend like a lot of time doing those questions which actually didn't have any score or any like marking. So that really helped because when I gave the exam, you won't believe my exam finished just 1 minute before. I just had 1 minute left at the end. And I can imagine if I would have spent all my time doing those reading questions and listening questions, I wouldn't have like been able to finish the exam on time. So having, that sort of help from your side about what is the score, what is the preparation strategy, the templates. I remember you guys shared the updated templates as well for the essays and other speaking modules and everything. That was a very good structure, but also I remember Mohit always used to say that content is now going to matter more. So like the template is not just something that you just go and just write. You need to add your own relevant content, and it's just a structure that you follow. So I did send a lot of updated essays with his feedback based on the word count and other things that he mentioned. I think that really helped because I think I wrote a 280 word essay. So that helped with the essay, and with the describe image, that was something I was really struggling with because I was not able to, I was taking a lot of pauses when describing images, especially those images that didn't have a lot of information or keywords. So then he told me what strategies would help, like start with the left, right, top, bottom, and being fluent. So that was really good. And I think with that feedback itself, I felt more confident. I would say just practice a lot. Of course, consistency is important, and do follow the strategies and templates because they do work. Especially with, I forgot to mention the write from dictation, how you guys would a 3-step method that really helped a lot because I would just write the short forms and then write the full forms and then write it on my computer screen. And the small tips and tricks that you guys mentioned, like putting the cap on for the marker, because it was my first time. I was very panicked because they gave me a writing board and a pen, and I think some of the students in the class mentioned that their pens dried out and then they panicked. So small things that you need to manage, time management, strategy. So of course, I think it's always good to get help from professionals who have been in this industry and doing this for a very long time.
Thank you so much, Sukriti, for such kind words. And you also cleared Nati Hindi with us, right? Recently?
Yes.
So all I would say is congratulations on 25 PR points. And